Hello, my dear students, and welcome to your favorite educational YouTube channel, Educator Prerna, or as you popularly know me as English वाली मैम. So, आज का जो सेशन है हमारा T20 सीरीज का जो सेशन है जिसमें हम क्वेश्चन ऑफ ट्रस्ट जो है उसका सेकंड पार्ट करने वाले हैं. व्हाट इज द सेकंड पार्ट? कल हमने इस चैप्टर को अच्छे से पढ़ा था, अंडरस्टैंड किया था. आज के सेशन में हम इस चैप्टर में जो इम्पोर्टेंट कैरेक्टर हैं उनके कैरेक्टर ट्रेट्स को समझने वाले हैं एंड अलोंग विद दैट वी विल आल्सो अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर द इम्पोर्टेंट वैल्यूज that we learn from this particular story. Okay, and before we do that I want to remind all of you to like, share and subscribe to Educator Prerna. Okay, so let us start with the important characters. So we already know that the main character of this story is Horace Danby. Okay, तो अब हम बात करते हैं about his what are the character traits of Horace Danby. Okay, तो जो सबसे पहला character trait है of Horace Danby is that he was skilled at his work. Whether he was a locksmith or a thief, for both these professions, he was a skilled person. How do we know that? Because he was able to, easily, how was he able to rob the houses? Because as a locksmith, he knew how to break the locks. All right. And how do we know that he was a skilled thief? Because, he would always, before robbing a house he would always understand what is the structure of the house. That is that he would have the complete information of the house and the people residing in that particular house. So as a thief he was skilled in the sense that he would plan the entire robbery in a perfect manner. Okay, second of course character trait that we know is that he was a book lover, or rather than a book lover, I think the better way to describe is that he was addicted to books. एंड जब हमने इस चैप्टर की एक्सप्लेनेशन समझी थी तो आई टोल्ड यू ना कि किसी भी चीज की एडिक्शन जो होती है दैट इज बैड. ओके, ऑलराइट. So the next and of course the next character sketch or character trait of Horace Danby is that he was reputed member of the society. अब आप बोलोगे मैम वो चोर था तो reputed member कैसे है? So how do we put this point? अब हमें ये तो बताना है कि हाँ उसकी reputation अच्छी थी. It was assumed reputed member of the society. तो जो लोग हॉरेस डैनबी को जानते थे, according to them Horace Danby was an honest person. Okay, and of course he was successful. He was a successful businessman, right? And businessman. And इसी के साथ जो एक लास्ट कैरेक्टर ट्रेट आता है, he was not completely honest. How do we know that he was not completely honest? Because of the fact that despite earning good, he was still a thief, by profession. Like one of the other profession that he was involved into, that was that of a thief. Okay. अब आपको मैं एक इंटरेस्टिंग बात बताऊं. ये जितने भी कैरेक्टर ट्रेट्स हैं हॉरेस डैनबी के, ये सारे कैरेक्टर ट्रेट्स जो हैं, जो आपकी स्टोरी का फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ है, ये उन्हीं से हमें पता चलते हैं. Of course, we need to quote examples from here and there also in the chapter, but जो मेजर कैरेक्टर ट्रेट्स हैं वो आपकी स्टोरी में जो फर्स्ट स्टैंजा दिया गया है, पैराग्राफ दिया गया है, पैसेज दिया गया है, उसी में ये कैरेक्टर ट्रेट्स लिस्टेड हैं। अब एक और कैरेक्टर ट्रेट जो हमें हॉरेस स्टैनली का पता चलता है वो है that he was very gullible. Gullible मतलब someone who could also be fooled easily. कोई भी स्टोरी उसको पुट अप करो तो वो उस स्टोरी को मान सकता था। अब आप बोलोगे मैम कैसे? This lady in the house, the other thief in the house, she gave a story to Horace and he was ready to buy that story. He actually was convinced with that story that this lady is the owner of the house and she has to wear these jewels for a party tonight. Okay? अब आप पूछोगे मैम इससे हमें क्या वैल्यू मिलती है, इस चैप्टर में हमें क्या वैल्यू मिलती है? There is one main value that we learn from this chapter, and that is we should never have assumptions, particularly when it comes to trusting people. आप कोई assumption लेके नहीं चल सकते, किसी बात को assume नहीं कर सकते जहां पर किसी पे विश्वास करने की बात आती है. For example, you are holding something expensive and you're like, अरे I probably know this person, you know, या मुझे कोई बोले अरे मैं ना उसको जानता हूँ तो वो तो this person is very good, very honest. तो मैंने assume कर लिया कि अच्छा वो अगर उसके साथ honest है तो मेरे साथ भी honest होगा, right? And I hand over that expensive thing to that particular person. But then the problem arises. So the core value that you learn from this story, A Question of Trust, is that do not have assumptions when it comes to trusting people. ओके हम मिलेंगे इस स्टोरी के नेक्स्ट सेशन में जिसमें हम स्टोरी के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स अटेम्प्ट करेंगे. उसी के साथ we'll practice some extra questions and of course I'll make you underline some important extracts from the story. All right, thank you so much. Till then, do like, share and subscribe to Educator Prerna. Thank you.